Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make paneer blocks at home. Start by bringing milk to a gentle simmer, stirring to avoid scorching. Add a measured acid slowly while stirring to separate curds and whey clearly. Drain the curds through a cheesecloth and squeeze out excess whey. Transfer curds into a mold, press with weight for even texture, then chill to firm and slice before using in recipes. Prepare ingredients and tools before you begin to keep the process smooth and clean. 2 liters of full fat milk and 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice or vinegar will yield a firm block. Line a sieve with a double layer of cheesecloth and set a mold underneath to collect curds. A flat board with a 1.5 to 2 kilogram weight creates even pressure for uniform paneer blocks. Keep a bowl for whey nearby. Control temperature and timing for reliable results and better texture in every batch. Heat milk to a gentle simmer around 90 degrees C and add acid gradually to prevent grainy curds. Let curds rest briefly to firm up, then drain and fold the cheesecloth to remove excess whey. Press with steady, even weight for 30 to 60 minutes depending on desired firmness. Rinse the finished paneer under cold water, then chill before slicing and using in dishes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.